How to zoom in a video in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can zoom in a video in Canva. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva and then go to any video project that you're working on. I'll just open up a project that I was previously working on. So let's say this is the video. Now I want to zoom in on this video at the 2 seconds or 4 second mark. So what I'll need to do right here is place this video on the timeline, and right here when it's on the correct time, just right click on the video and then split it. You can tap on split page and it should split. Now right here again, you can split it again till let's say 5 seconds. So I'll just split it at 5 seconds again because I want it to zoom out at 5 seconds. So tap on split image again. Now this is the page which I want to zoom in on. So let's say I want to zoom in on this page when it's right around here to this people. So what I'll do here is I'll just zoom in like this by dragging it. Now if your video quality is low, the zoom in will also be of a really low quality. So just make sure that you zoom in correctly and make sure that your video is of high quality. After you've done that, you can now play the video and there you'll notice it zooming in. And that's basically how you do this. And yeah, Canva is not really a great tool when it comes to video editing. So you can try to use other tools, or if this is fine for you, you can use this as well. And that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.